How to hook up a 3-point hitch. A 3-point hitch is the style of linkage used on large farm tractors to attach equipment to the back end. As the name signifies, the hitch attaches to the tractor at 3 points: the top center, lower left and lower right. Things you'll need: farm tractor, farm implement, 2 hitch rods, adjustable drawbar, 4 locking hitch pins. Back the tractor up to the farm implement. The tractor needs to be exactly in line with the mounting point of the implement, otherwise attaching the hitch will require you to move the implement from side to side. Place the tractor in park. Lower the hydraulic lift arms so that they are level with the lower attachment points on the implement. Push the lower attachment pin on the implement through the small floating ball on the tractor's lift arms. Use a locking hitch pin on each attachment pin to secure the implement to the tractor. Attach one side of the adjustable drawbar to the top attachment point of the implement using a hitch rod. Use a locking hitch pin to secure the drawbar. Attach the other end of the drawbar to the upper hitch point on the tractor using a hitch rod. Use a locking hitch pin to secure the drawbar. The drawbar may need to be lengthened or shortened to fit between the implement and the tractor. Using the hydraulic lift on the tractor, raise the implement just off the ground. You then can adjust the drawbar to straighten the implement, if necessary. Tips: warnings. A fixed drawbar can be used if an adjustable drawbar is unavailable, however it can be harder to use. Working with farm equipment could be dangerous.